Hi, my name is Peter Law, and I will be talking about big data and its impact on the organizations that I currently work for. I work for Unlock Senior Health Services, or just Unlock. Unlock is part of the program of all-inclusive care for the elderly, a PACE nonprofit dedicated to helping fellow seniors with their health by providing all of the preventive, primary, acute, and long-term care services so um, they can continue to live in their homes and their community. As Unlock begins to streamline its efforts to organize the health information it provides to patients, the organization discovered that some disciplines and clinical services are providing health literature with outdated content to patients. Because Unlock has a library of health information that is largely unorganized, it could benefit from a data warehouse solution to help the organization gather, maintain, and update its health library information. Health information empowers us to make important health decisions. However, health information can also be confusing and overwhelming. There is a need to be aware of where and how patients seek information about health so that healthcare providers could use effective methods to disseminate accurate health literature. Although the internet is increasingly becoming an essential resource to obtain information on health, older adults still make healthcare decisions based on their doctor's health guides. So misinformation severely affects patient health, and Unlock must uh, do its due diligence in providing sound and accurate health information. Currently, Unlock has uh, some challenges to the data that it contains. The current database lacks the ability to combine data that are not similar in structure or source in order to provide meaningful connections. The bulk of the health library may impact the ability to process the data quickly at a reasonable cost. Also, the Information Technology Department at Unlock does not have available staff with skill set to bring together the data and analyze it. In this figure, you can see a list of some of the biggest challenges for success in big data and analytics. Transforming big data to improve patient health is the goal of every healthcare organization. So it is essential to understand big data, and that will allow healthcare organizations to provide better patient care from basics data visualization to real-time predictive analysis. There are countless ways to gain insight from the data collection process. How the organization manages its data makes a big difference in its potential value to identify trends and analyze data effectively. This figure shows an example of a big data architectures with the various components that makes up um, a data enterprise warehouse. And unlock some of the best practices in big data um, can be viewed as making sure to drive the choice of data sources and feeding the data warehouse from business need. To focus on user interface simplicity and performance. Think dimensionally divide the world into dimension and facts and integrate separate data sources with conform dimensions. Data governance for big data should be an extension of the approach used to govern all enterprise data, embracing privacy and security, compliance, and data quality. It is essential to prepare the data according to the governance responsibility at the earliest stage of building the data pipeline. Data governance principles must be applied to the content of the data to minimize business risk, protect the privacy of protected health information, and eliminate damages to the organization's reputation. Unlock has an independent data mart architectures instead of an integrated information system across the organizations. Um, with this current approach, the analytic data is used on a departmental basis without concern for sharing and integrating information across the enterprise. Without any enterprise perspective, this independent approach results in conflicting views of the organization's performance, resulting in unnecessary reconciliation. However, these independent data marts often have embraced dimensional modeling because they are interested in delivering data that is easy for the business to understand and highly responsive to queries.